Hey guys, in this video we will go over our MVN Animate integration. So what we'll be doing in this video is we will set our hands up in Hand Engine, getting them ready for streaming, and then once we do that we can move on to MVN Animate where we will set our scene up and get it ready for recording. Let's begin.
Okay, first thing we need to do is to connect and calibrate your gloves in Hand Engine. Once calibrated, just navigate over to the settings menu here and just turn on Xsens mode. Once you do that, just make sure to update the settings by pressing this button here, and now we can head on over back to the main window. Now what we want to do is to just turn on Xsens streaming for both gloves. With that all set up, we can now head on over to MVN. In MVN, we can go ahead and start a new motion capture session. And here in the configuration menu, just click on the fingers tab. Now in the drop down menu, we can go ahead and select streaming gloves. Now here we'll just assign our left and right hands. If for some reason your gloves aren't showing up, just make sure that the port number here matches the port number in Hand Engine. Once that has been done, you are now streaming hands from Hand Engine directly into MVN. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys again next time.